Hi, this is Kacy Paide of theinspiredoffice.com, here to invite you to my free live webinar that will be at 2 p.m. Eastern this coming Friday, the 26th. You can register by clicking on the link below, theaccomplishsheet.com. In this free live webinar, which is all about to-do lists, you are going to learn 5 specific skills. The first is how to never again work off of one of those crazy, mega, master long to-do lists. There is a better way. Skill 2, you're gonna learn my secret, not so much a secret, I teach it in every workshop I've ever given, which is how to move mountains with microbursts of focus. Skill 3 is going to be the one thing to put at the top of every to-do list you are working off of that day or that week. And 4 is why I think for a daily or weekly to-do list, that good old-fashioned pen to paper lists are best, and I'm going to give you some creative ways to make those. And lastly, your skill number 5 is why it is perfectly okay for your to-do list to change often. Just because a list is working for you now doesn't mean you won't get bored with it, and it's perfectly okay to change those as the mood strikes and as your needs evolve. So again, the free live webinar is to-do list makeovers. You're going to learn how to get more done by chopping yours down. Please join me this Friday, March 26th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. Click on the link below. And if you cannot join us live, if you register, you will also receive the replay link. But I hope you'll join us live. I will see you then. Thanks a lot.